So today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 that I got right here. This is kind of how it comes here in the box, and I'm just going to give you an idea. Again, we're just going to do a quick unboxing and show you exactly what comes in the box. Also, make sure you subscribe and share comments down below. Okay, so here's the box, DJI Osmo Mobile 6. Pretty pumped about this because I wanted to do a lot more content with my cell phone, specifically coming up to the iPhone 14 1 terabyte that I got coming up soon. It's gonna allow me to record a bunch of videos. I'm planning to use this a lot. So this is the box. It says 3-axis stabilization, so it should give you really smooth footage, quick launch, portable and foldable, active track 5.0, easy tutorials, and building extension, which is actually fantastic. There's a little arrow right there, and you're just gonna take this out. And here we go. All right, so a couple things. It gives you a little bit of instructions right here. It says, first of all, download the app, and a couple other things here. The magnet, the extension. You kind of see it right there. Some of the stuff that it tells you. It's like really nice package, actually. Take this out. Obviously, the components are gonna be right here. And this right here, it is a little bag. Cable as well. Looks like a USB-C. That's about it. All right, so this is gonna be the magnet that is gonna be connected to your phone right here. So essentially this is going to be in your phone, and it extends a pretty good amount. I want to make sure that it fits here my iPhone 11 Pro Max, and I got this case here too. This is going to be as bulky as you can go, so if it fits this, it's going to pretty much fit anything. It does has a little thing right there that says phone camera direction, so obviously, and it does have a little label right there, so obviously this is going to be facing up. Here's the camera. I'm assuming this is going to go like this, and it made it. Again, this is the iPhone 11 Pro Max with this auto box case. You see it right here, and again, it feels like it's like right there to the limit, but it is holding the phone. So let's continue with this. It's gonna be the little tripod. I love these little tripods a lot because, you know, a lot of times you finish recording, you want to lay it down, and you have a place to lay it down on. I love the color too. Looks really nice. The little branding right here, DJI as well, and you can kind of see the tripod, right? So all right, a little tripod. Obviously you could use this in many different applications as well, and let's take it out. I'm excited about this. All right, and here you have it. So this is kind of what you have right here. Really nice. Has a little unlock. There we go. And that turned on. You actually heard a little noise right there. Right here it says align the phone clamp with the magnet. So here you have it. Looks really nice. Not that heavy at all. Has a good ergonomic. When you hold it, it feels good. So one thing that I noted already is that there's a little dot right there. You see that little white dot? And there's also a little white dot in the magnet on the phone. So you see the white dot there. So I'm assuming you could align those two together. All right, the dots are aligned, and here we go. All right, so this is what we got so far right here. Obviously, there's gonna have to be a calibration and a testing and all that, but again, this is kind of what you have right here. So I just put the tripod right here. So obviously, if you want to use it with the tripod, that's gonna be a case. And let me just extend it. All right, this is how much it extends right here, right? So really nice. There's also those little things right here that I need to actually figure out what it's for, but again, that's gonna be everything here for the unboxing. So if you wonder what comes in the DJI OM6, here it is. This is a quick unboxing. Stay tuned because we're going to do more videos. Appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you in the next one.